If you're a real estate agent and you're looking to make $350,000 or more in 2024, then listen up. My name is Monica Main. I'm actually not a real estate agent, but I work with them day in and day out because I am a real estate investor. So if you've ever wondered, hey, why is it that I'm always selling these properties to different investors and I'm just not cashing in on the bandwagon? Well, you might be thinking maybe it's too late. Maybe the cash cow of real estate investing opportunities has passed. We're going into a very recessive mode right now, and maybe it's just too late. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not too late. Why are we going to waste another year selling properties on other people's behalf or showing properties to different people, watching other people profit on a huge level when you can be making money in real estate by yourself on your own as a real estate investor alongside of using your real estate license as a real estate agent? Like, why are you not doing that? And the answer is maybe you just simply did not know how. So I have something very mind-blowing to share with you, and that is I have found that working with real estate agents over the years is the easiest thing for me to do as a real estate investor, because you guys know the lingo, you guys know how escrow works, you guys know what an EMD is, you know where all of the stuff is that you need for investing in real estate or being in the real estate realm of the planet. And so I found that it's much more frustrating to deal with people who are just total newbies and have no idea. So you guys already have the mindset needed to make a lot of money as a real estate investor as well as being a real estate agent. Listen, there's tough times coming up ahead, especially if you're a real estate agent. And I can guarantee you that if we're looking at another 2008 crash like I predict that we are, then you guys are going to be in a whole world of hurt if you don't shift gears right now. And you could take the opportunity to be able to stay in the real estate game, which I'm sure you love it because that's why you're a real estate agent to begin with. So why not start making money as a real estate investor? Now you're probably thinking, well, Monica, listen, I don't have the money for the down payment. I don't have the ability to figure out which kinds of investment properties to get involved in. I don't know where to start. Well, good news. You're most of the way there. You're 90% of the way there because you have all the knowledge in your head about how the whole real estate business works, which puts you 90% ahead than most people just starting out. That's the good news. The bad news is you need to start wrapping your head around the idea of being a real estate investor, which is different than a real estate agent where you're doing all of the work to help facilitate deals for real estate investors, but you're kind of thinking in terms of working for somebody. So we need to get our minds wrapped around the idea of being a real estate investor now. And so I'm going to help you do that. I would love to be able to show you more. I have a private video that I posted just for you, and I have the link in the description box, which will share with you the most cutting edge, mind-blowing real estate investing opportunity on the planet. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. And I don't care how long you've been in the business of real estate agenting, you probably never heard of this kind of passive income real estate opportunity. So I created this video just for you, and you can see it in the description box down below. You just click on the link and I will describe to you exactly what this looks like, what this business is all about, and how you could profit in major ways like you've never imagined before in your entire life as a real estate investor instead of a real estate agent. And you can virtually guarantee that 2024 is going to be your year as a powerful, highly profitable real estate agent and now real estate investor. So go ahead and click on that link in the description area down below. If you like my content, be sure to click the like and the subscribe button because there's many more videos to go. For me to share with you, this is Monica Main signing off, and I will see you in the next video.